Did you know what your cat feels for you? Cats often treat their humans like they would a mother cat. Rubbing, kneading, and purring are signs of affection and comfort. A slow blink from your cat is a strong sign of trust and affection. It's like a kitty kiss. When your cat shadows you from room to room, it's showing attachment and a desire to stay close to its favorite human. Cats have scent glands on their heads. When they nuzzle or bunt you, they're marking you as someone they trust and love. Whether it's a toy or gulp, a bug, bringing you things is your cat's way of sharing and showing appreciation.